Yeah, I'm playing Animal Company with my boy, Happy Monkey GT. What are you doing with your eyeballs?
I don't know. Ready to go grind?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's go to the bit. By the way, he's like, I don't even know. He's like 2 years apart from me. Are you 11 or 10?
Oh, 10. Yeah, I'm 10. But,
He's 2 years away from my age.
wait, bro, you're telling me your age, bro.
Yeah, I told you that before.
Bro, I know your age, but do you want random people to know your age?
I know.
You want to get the bird egg?
I'm gonna censor it. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Bro, why is my boundary popping up so much? You know that video that we made, the part 3 of the Big Carry speedrun?
Yeah, I still this. You still haven't posted part 4.
No, part 3 isn't even out yet.
I know. That's what I meant.
Yeah, it's not out because it's still syncing on my headset. It's still syncing to my phone. It's been like so. Are you in I'm on. Wait, are you in app chat?
No.
To hear me, you have to be in app chat for like the recording to hear me.
Oh no, I don't. It's different for me.
Oh.
Yo, distractor.
Oh, big gulpy gulp.
I'll get up here, and then once she comes towards you, I'll drop down and grab the egg.
Go.
How does that sound?
Wait, should we just buy a grenade and throw it right at her head?
Ready?
Wait, there's a golden. Wait, there's a golden trophy. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my book bag. I'm grabbing the egg.
Yeah, you grab it.
I got the stuff, bruh. Bro, no way. All my stuff just fell out my book bag because I had it opened.
I was gonna get the good monkey.
Bro, the bird egg's not even there.
And she's still sitting on it.
Yeah, she's sitting at the nest and the bird egg's not even there. It's like a milk.
Hey, yeah, that made it so much easier.
Birdie egg. Don't spawn her yet. I have a can, so I'm trying to put it in the can.
So where's the trophy?
I think it fell.
She just consumed her own child. She just ate the egg. Like, she just grew the egg.
Man, bro.
Why?
Man, do you want to make a video? Oh, frick. Yeah. Bro, I fell over. Do you see me? Bro, we need to grab a grenade and throw her. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. You get a grenade. Yeah, I'm rich, so.
It kills.
Oh yeah.
Buy one. I'm gonna buy 2.
Don't buy one. Don't. Bro, you wasted our money. We only needed 1. Bro, what the hell? Did you drop 2?
Yeah, I dropped both of them because somehow.
Bro, you could have killed that strong guy that punches you. Bro, you might get what's it called, demonetized for that.
No, because Because it's made not for kids. It's made not for kids.
Oh.
Which means they can comment, which means kids are not allowed to watch it. She just sat down, fat ass. That's my bag, I think.
Oh, okay.
That's my bag.
I'm just testing it.
My Coca-Cola. Hey, give me my Coca-Cola. Give me my Coca-Cola.
Oh, she's about to blow up. Bro!
Voila, no mom, no dad, no.
Go, bitches! Oh, fuck! I know, bro. My headset's gonna die soon. It's 14%. When it gets like 10%, when it's about to die, it
Grenade.
didn't even work.
Who the hell is that?
But who are you?
Hell? I know. Stop, bruh.
Bro,
Who
leave.
the fuck is this?
Bro,
You?
who is this?
This is our code. This is our fucking code. Get out the goddamn code.
Dude, didn't you say you'd make us 30K in like 20 minutes?
Oh, slow ass.
I know, I'm slow. Dude, I'm really new. I just joined like yesterday.
Black, you take your candy. That name is Big Brandy. Come on, bitch. How are you about to kill me?
Bro! That's excessive.
Bro, was I supposed to tell you or what?
Bro, you grab the egg. You grab the egg.
I risked it for the team, but I didn't even
What's that bird doing? I'm gonna deload the map, so I'll deload the bird. You can deload the map. Oh, God! Ow! Bro, I think we might have to end this recording. We need to try again later. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end this recording.